found with personal injury law, as many areas of the law, you've got people who are going through really tough times and really tough situations. Nobody believes them, or at least the insurance defense side doesn't believe them. They're not really getting what they think is their fair shake, and they're not in fact getting a fair shake. Part of the education process, when they come to us, we explain the various factors you've got to be able to show. You've got to be able to show liability, that someone else is responsible for what happened, causation. Okay, you've got back pain, but can we show through medical evidence that that back pain was caused by this incident? And then, of course, you've got coverage issues, insurance coverage issues. Who's going to pay for the damages that you've sustained? So once we're able to kind of tie all those things together, we work with the client, and of course, Quincy and I, put our heads together and we decide what's the best path forward.
Far too often, you have attorneys, in these big firms, who, like I said, they read paperwork and they don't listen to the client. They get the client to come in and fill out the client information sheet, and they read the sentence that say what the client thinks happened, instead of coming in, listening to the client, sitting down, going through the facts, and figuring out exactly what's going on. I can't count on my hand the times that a client has come in and has spoken with several different lawyers who have told them one thing, and they're coming to me just, as a final result, And, everything turns around, because what I do, I sit down and listen. Not only what they're saying, but I want the facts. I want to know exactly what happened. And I go out and I do the work as all lawyers should do.
This is one of the reasons why, I would advise every potential client to get someone who does this in and out, a specialist of sorts. The law changes. It's not enough to be familiar with the general principles behind it. You've got to know the details. You've got to know what's in the small print. The devil can be in the details, to use that proverb, if I may. So we're always studying, we're always reading, we're always staying on top of changes. We're always looking for the particulars that might further our client's case.
It goes further than just business, all right? I care about the results with the case that we have going on, but also with these people in their lives moving forward. So it's not just about how much money I'm gonna make off this person, or getting the job done or selling the case. I wanna make sure that these people are not only set up for the months coming, but for years moving forward. And not only the clients, but also their family members as well.